Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Nokia E3101 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If they will not connect to your Bluetooth device, if they keep disconnecting, maybe if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, if they're not syncing properly, or if they're just not working in any way, a good troubleshooting step is a hard reset. Now you will need to connect them again as a new device once you do this, but if you're okay doing that, we can go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is with them in the case, have the case closed. You're going to go ahead and go to your phone or whatever device you've had them previously paired with, turn the Bluetooth off, and have them forget this device. Once you do that, you can open the case and take them out as seen here. And what you'll do is you'll come back and simultaneously tap 3 times on the button that's on the back of these. Press the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Once that happens, the LEDs will be flashing while that happens. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and put them back in the case. Close the case. Wait a few seconds. And then you can go ahead and open the case, take them out, and pair them again as brand new headphones.